Hi viewers, we are going to unbox this IKON 5516 5.1 multimedia speaker, and this one has got a Bluetooth connectivity, and as you can see in the picture, this one has got 5.1 channel surround system, and you can connect USB and also SD card like memory cards and everything, and you can connect conventional FM radio, and it will consist of a speaker also. So as you can see in the images, this one has got some specifications like output power of 1200 watts. So now we are going to unbox this box. Also you can see the product feature here. All the functionalities is explained in the first line, and also subwoofer size of its width, depth and height is shown in millimeter, and you can see the RMS, it's 20 watts plus 10 watts for other each 5 speakers, and you can see the other product features also here. Okay, now we are going to unbox this. Okay. As you can see in this picture, this one has got a warranty card. This warranty consists of 1 year, so 1 year warranty is there with this IKON warranty. I think it's available in UAE. And this one has a user's manual. You can read it when you have time or something. So I'm skipping all this. So on the top there is 5 speakers. This one is not a wireless and this is wired, so it will consist of wires. Now you can see the main console, and these are the accessories which you are going to get along with this product. And it has got a fully functional remote, and you can see in the picture, it is very fully functional remotes, and you can have cables. These 3 cables to connect from the TV or something, and this one is the aux cable. You can connect from the aux cable system, and this one is an FM antenna. So you will get 2 batteries also. So this is the main console of this IKON 5516 multimedia speaker system. Now we want to know which all are the input and which all are the input system. As we already said, you have Bluetooth, and you can see you can connect the aux cable to here, left and right for the aux cable, and this one is for the 5.1 channels. You can connect like front left, front right, central, sub, and rear left and rear right also you can connect over here. And this is the output which you can connect one by one to the speakers which is there. So this is on and off switch, and these all are the input which is there. This is the front view of the subwoofer, and you can see this is a button is there, so you can increase the volume and decrease the volume. So here you can see this is the where you can connect this USB, and this is the card reader port. So this is the speaker. So this one doesn't have a optical cable input, we cannot expect at this range. And as you can see in this picture, this is a wooden box subwoofer. This is made up of wood. And now we will connect to the power. Now we have unboxed all the boxes. You can see the front and center speaker length will be much lesser compared to the rear speakers. This one is having some more length compared to the front and left. You can see the length of this cable, and also you can see the power cable which you can connect to the main power supply. Now I have connected to the main power supply. Let's see how it works when we turn on the switches. Can you please turn on the switches now? So you can see the lighting. So it is turning on. So you can adjust the volume in this switch. If you turn this anti-clockwise, it will reduce the volume, and if you turn it clockwise, it will increase the volume. And this is the input button. So when you click on this one, it will switches between the input. Now it is Bluetooth mode, so we will connect Bluetooth first and we will check. Before that, we need to connect the different speakers. So now we are going to connect the speakers, and I will show you how to connect all the speakers now. Now we will see how to connect these speakers. We will connect the sender first. One cable we plugged into the sender, and the other cables we will connect it to the front left, front right. You can connect front left or okay. Now we have connected all the cables. So if you want, you can connect the aux cable also. So I will connect the aux cable, and there is one more input for the antenna where you can connect this antenna cable over there. So this one will acts as the antenna cable when you're playing the FM radio or something. So this one will work as the antenna, so you can plug it over there. So now we have connected all the speakers, and right now I'm going to select the input as FM radio. Now we have connected we have turned the input as a Bluetooth, and I'm going to connect in my iPhone. You can see this IK5516. You can click to pair. Right now you can see it is connected, and now I'm going to play one music. So you can see I'm increasing volume. So maximum it can be increased till 60. So I'm going to increase the volume.
The deep end, trying to swim but you're sinking. I don't know the reason, just needed something different. Don't gotta hear what they speaking, no, don't gotta take what they giving. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing.
So I'm reducing the volume in this remote now. So in this remote you can increase the bass also. So you can see in the remote, you can see you can increase the bass if you want. So I'm going to increase the bass now. So about the performance, this one is this IKON speaker is performing very decently. So at this price you cannot expect more than this. Yeah, we will increase the sound some more. So now we have seen this Bluetooth, and now we are going to connect. We are going to test the aux cable. So I'll change the input to aux cable now. So now it's in the aux cable. Now we change the input mode to aux cable, and I have connected to aux cable as the input of the multimedia speaker system, and you can see I'm connecting this aux cable input. I'm giving the input from the Xbox controller, so you can see I'm connecting to 3.5mm jack, and it is connected, and you can play any song. So I can increase the volume of the
Lamborghini चलाई जाने ओ Lamborghini चलाई जाने ओ सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ
So you have seen how this IK5516 works, and based on this amount, like you can get in the market for around 150 to 200 dirhams. So for that price, this one is works really fantastic, and the performance is really very good. And yes, if you have the amount like around 150 to 200, you can go for it. And thank you for watching this video, and please do share, subscribe, and you can expect more videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching.